Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change door frame trim. First, gather your essential tools: a pry bar, utility knife, hammer, and safety glasses. Safety is paramount, so always wear eye protection. Next, carefully score any caulk lines where the trim meets the wall. This prevents damage to your drywall. Then, starting from the bottom, gently pry the old trim away from the door frame, working your way up. Once the old trim is removed, it's crucial to prepare the surface for the new installation. Begin by carefully removing any lingering nails or debris from the door frame and wall. Take a moment to inspect the frame for any damage, such as cracks or uneven spots, and make any necessary repairs. Finally, clean the entire surface thoroughly to ensure optimal adhesion for your brand new trim. Now it's time to measure and cut your new trim. Accurately measure the vertical and horizontal sections of your door frame. For a professional finish, cut your new trim pieces to size, paying close attention to creating precise 45-degree mitered corners where they meet. Before any permanent attachment, always dry fit the trim pieces to ensure they align perfectly and create a seamless, attractive frame. For installation, apply a thin, consistent bead of construction adhesive to the back of each trim piece. Carefully position the trim and secure it to the door frame using finishing nails, spaced approximately every 12 to 16 inches. Once all trim is in place, fill any nail holes with wood putty, caulk any small gaps, and then paint or stain the trim to match your room's aesthetic, completing your project beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.